Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the spider filter in Instagram. So we are in Instagram effect gallery. Instagram have different categories for filter. So most probably this spider filter you will find in weird and scary category. So let's go there and let's scroll for filters. Okay, we find one spider. Tap on the filter. Okay, and you will see a preview of the filter, and from here you can try this filter or you can save this filter to your camera. Okay, let's go back and search for more spider filter. Okay, and we came to an end. There are many filters when we go through our stories, but in the gallery we can see only one spider filter. So if you are facing the same issue with your device, you can always go to my profile and you can check my highlights. I have categorized my highlights. Here you can see spider. You can tap there and you will see the spider filters here in this highlight. You can tap on the filter name and the creator name written on the top of this screen, and you will see this pop-up. From here also you can try this filter or you can save this effect to your camera, and you can always go to the creator profile also from here. And as you can see here, the creator name is also tagged. You can go to the creator profile from here also. And you can see the filters here and you can try the filter from here. Okay, so let's go back and check all the filter. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can go to my highlights or you can go to effect gallery and you can get this spider filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.